In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Open Manus alternative to Manus AI. Start by opening the Open Manus alternative shown on screen. If you're watching along, use the same link or launcher so your layout matches what you see here. Give the page a moment to load. Most open source style tools may take an extra second on first run as assets initialize. Before diving in, take a quick look around to understand how this tool works as a free or open source style alternative to Manus AI. You'll notice a focus on transparency and community-driven features. The interface typically keeps things simple: a main workspace for prompts or tasks, a sidebar for projects or histories, and a settings area where you control basic behavior. The big advantage is easy access without waiting for any invite system, which makes it great for getting started right away or testing ideas on your own timeline. Next, follow the setup steps shown on screen to access the platform. If there's an account flow, complete it using a generic username and a strong, unique password you can remember, and avoid sharing any private details on camera. If you're shown a local or self-hosted option, follow the same on-screen prompts to finish the initial configuration. Accept the terms if prompted, then proceed to the main dashboard. Now configure the basic options you need to start using it. In settings, pick a clear workspace name so your projects are easy to find later. Choose your preferred language and theme for readability. If the tool offers toggles for data storage, analytics, or autosave, set them to your comfort level. Many users also like enabling keyboard shortcuts and turning on confirmations for irreversible actions, which can help prevent mistakes. With the basics in place, test a simple task to confirm everything works. Type a short prompt such as "summarize this paragraph" and paste a few sentences of text, or ask it to generate a small checklist for a daily plan. Click Run, then review the response. Make sure the output appears quickly, formatting looks clean, and you can edit or rerun the prompt without errors. If something seems off, revisit settings and try again. Take a moment to compare this workflow with Manus AI. You'll likely notice differences in interface structure, how prompts and histories are organized, and the degree of customization. Performance and model options may also feel distinct. Use whichever flow best fits how you think and work. If you want reliable access without relying on Manus invites, keep using this alternative. Bookmark it, explore the docs, and build a small project to lock in your workflow.